Got right here another very unique pencil sharpener. Check this out, it actually opens. And if you spin it, look at these gears moving up and down. And this side here, the blades, the actual blades that's going to sharpen it, I think. You know what, I think you can even replace those blades too. And another cool thing is, this side here has a spring, so it will push the pencil automatically into the sharpener. Cool thing is, we can keep it open. Look at that. Completely unsharpened pencil. We don't need electricity or nothing. It's just grinding it. I think we're good now. Let's see, a little bit longer maybe. Let's check on it. Okay, a little bit longer. We adjust a little bit so it has better tension. That is very satisfying. Let me zoom in onto here real quick. Okay, let me switch my hands. There you go. Wow, it can go really fast. I got my groove. Should have done it with the right hand right away. Yeah, it works real fast. Okay, now let's check on it. Wow, look at that pencil. That is sharp. I mean, for certain projects, you probably want to have it so pointy, but you know, once you like draw with it, it probably will dull out into less sharp piece. But yeah, that's a perfect sharpened pencil to me. Very cool. There's a burn for it. And in case you just have run out or broke your piece, one more time. Again, just push it up and it will hold the tension. I'm gonna go on speed this time with the right hand. Not really sure how to know when it's done. Hopefully it's done. Oh yeah, wow, that is fast. And it's fun and satisfying. This side here is kind of like a catcher and safety, but I would rather run it open always, so that way I see how it works. It's so fun to use, and look at it. Look at this. So fast. It's mesmerizing. And boom. So yeah, what do we do here? I know it locks in. You can open it and slide it out. Oh yeah, you slide it out to clean all your shavings. Wow, look at that shaving, so fine. I love mechanical vintage items. This is one of them. Let me know if you want to see more. Got it here, very unique folding chair. Let's check it out. So it looks like a regular chair, but it has the legs and the back adjustable. As you can see right here, it locks in and it can be stayed up almost like a laying bag. Both sides locked in. That's nice. Wow, that actually works. Oh wait, that's a pillow. Wow, that's incredibly comfortable. So now we're not camping, we're glamping. If I want to sit up, just push these two buttons and it will adjust and lock in. And then it becomes a regular chair. This side here, if you don't want it, you can drop it down, I guess. So it just sits on the floor out of the way. Or you can set it back up. Very cool, like stayed up, laying down chair. And my favorite part is that I adjust and sucks in. Locks in, side kind of halfway. This is probably the most comfortable. Or you can lay down, all the way down with the pillow. It's pretty awesome. Definitely next level comfortable chair. Got it here, another jet boil. Found it on eBay. Not sure if they make them anymore, but check this out. This one is pretty different. Probably one of the bigger stoves that I've seen. But check this out. It would be pretty sturdy. And then this will slide in into the jet boil stand, so that way it won't slide down. So it's kind of plugs into there. Pretty cool. And there's a lid Then we plug it in into here, and I do like it that it has a starter with it too. Let me take it off, see how it does. Beautiful. Now that metal over here, so that way we can see in the daytime that it's burning. At nighttime you'll see the blue flame. During the day it's invisible. Especially whenever you simmer control it and it doesn't make too much noise, you can still see it's burning. Very cool stuff. And even better, check this out. It has the wind protector or like a heat reflector. That's definitely one of a kind invention. You see, the heat will go all the way up every time. Okay, and it's burning. And as you can see, all your heat is gonna go into the pot. That's cool. I never seen a stove designed this way. One of a kind invention over here for sure. I don't think we can put gas can inside here, it just won't fit, so bring it separately. Put this in. I do like it that there's a heat cover as well, and then we have a plate. Super cool. Got it here, portable air compressor. This is probably one of the smallest air compressor I ever seen. Car, bikes, and the ball, and whatever else you want to use it for the tires. So let's quickly assemble it. PSI, that's what we need. I like PSI around here, so 39. We probably only need like 35. My car tires are pretty low, especially left one front at 30. Let's see if we can turn it up to 36. Also, it is easy plug. Check this out. Okay, it says it's 30 psi, and that's it. We're pumping it. It's probably gonna take about 5 minutes to get to 35 psi. Okay, no mind, it's pretty fast, but now we can leave it and charge up our tire pretty quickly. Actually pumped up really fast. I didn't have to wait at all. Boom, and take it off. Now we are 34 psi. Okay, the car is a little bit different, saying at 33 psi. So it filled up pretty quickly. Silky Katana Boy 500 folding saw. Still one of my favorite because it's a most affordable for the bigger size. So you fold it and zip it up. This thing is so powerful. Look how big those teeth are. But at the same time, it's big enough to do most of the jobs for camping. You can still use it one-handed. It's so powerful, I don't even have to push it. You see, one-handed. Ooh, bites in so good. Boom. So nice and powerful. Two-handed. Two-handed a little bit more power because we can apply a lot more pressure. So it cuts faster. Very nice.